Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome back to my dishes. Today we're going to be making homemade lasagna. To start off, I used a quarter cup of olive oil, 2 onions, 1 pound of ground beef and half a lemon. While a little cook, I also add a tablespoon of garlic. Now I'm adding 1 tablespoon of Maggi seasoning. At this point I add 1 can of tomato paste. Now I start to make lasagna. In another pot I cooked lasagna, I added a teaspoon of salt to it. I also add a tablespoon of olive oil. In a bowl I mix goat cheese, cottage cheese and curd cheese and 2 eggs. Here I'm adding sticks to the lasagna because I don't want the cheese to stick to the tin foil. Now I wrap it with tin foil and put it in the oven for 35 minutes. And this is the outcome.